neoplasm tumor. By definition, is a new formation of cells of independent growth, fulfill no useful or fruitful function. The tumor is used only for the new growth and not for the inflammatory swelling like a Pott's puffy tumor or hypertrophy of any part of the body. What are the causes? The 300 years ago, it is stated that the external irritation which gives rise to tumor formation like motion, heat and antimony. In Kashmiri people, the Kangari cancer of a lower abdomen or thigh occurs because of a glowing charcoal in the earthen pot kept over the lower abdomen or thigh. Another cancer, chimney sweeper cancer, countryman lip cancer, the tar worker cancer. Regeneration of a tissue awakens the dormant embryonic cells, which leads to malignant changes. The primary cancer of the liver may arise in a cirrhosis of the liver. The squamous carcinoma occur in a Marjorie's ulcer over the limb, feet or hands. The fibrosarcoma occurs in a scars. The viruses causing the cancer, good example is a wart. What is metaplasia? This sometimes happens that the epithelium from which the tumor grows changes its characteristics. Urinary bladder, transitional cells to squamous cell, gallbladder, in gallbladder, columnar cell to squamous cells, in a bronchial tree, the columnar cells to squamous cells, the gastric mucosa to intestine mucosa. What is anaplasia? The tumor produces cells from which it arises, but with the rapid growth, the resemblance is poor. What is teratoma and what is a blastoma? Teratoma arises from the totipotent cells. The teratomatous dermoid contain the hair, bone, cartilage, muscle, teeth, and gland. The sacrococcygeal teratoma occur from the sacrum in the babies, which appear like a third leg having the feet. It is called as fetus in fetu. The blastoma develop from the unipotent cells, one of the three embryonic cells. Example is neuroblastoma. Dermoid cyst. Definition: the cyst lined by the squamous epithelium. The sebaceous cysts are lined by the superficial squamous cell called epidermoid. The types teratomatous dermoid occur in ovaries, testes, and retroperitoneum. The sequestration dermoid inclusion of epithelium of a skin occur over the forehead or the angle of the uh, angle of the mouth or branchial cyst. Then implantation dermoid is occur in a punctured wound. What is benign, malignant, and intermediate tumor? The benign tumor are encapsulated, no dissemination occur. The certain adenomas secrete hormone also. The malignant tumor, characteristics of the malignant tumor, the invasion into surrounding tissue, pleomorphism, the different shapes of the cells, the rapid growth of the cell, the spread through the lymphatics or through the blood vessels. Weight loss is the characteristic of the malignant tumor. Intermediate tumor, carcinoid tumor, adenoma of a bronchus, mixed salivary tumor, basal cell carcinoma. What is benign tumor adenoma? It arises from the secretory gland of a thyroid, parathyroid, pancreas. Fibroadenoma occur in a breast. Rectal polyp occur in a papilloma. Consists of a central axis of a blood vessel connected tissue, lymphatics, covered by the epithelium like squamous, transitional, and columnar epithelium. What is a fibroma? True fibroma is a rare condition. Most of the fibromas combine with the muscle is called as fibromyoma. Combined with the fat is called as fibrolipoma. Combined with the nerve is called as neurofibroma. The special variety of a fibroma is a desmoid fibroma present over the abdominal wall. The keloid is also a form of a lipoma arises from the fat cells, usually multiple. Painful lipoma is called as Derkham's disease. The large lipoma on the thigh and shoulder, retroperitoneum, undergoes sarcomatous changes, myxomatous degeneration, calcification, and saponification. Clinical types: subcutaneous lipoma present over the back and shoulder. Subfacial lipoma occurs over the palm and sole. Subsynovial lipoma occurs near the knee joint. It doesn't hamper the movement of the joint, or the size of the lipoma doesn't changes with the movement of the knee joint. Intra-articular lipoma or intramuscular lipoma, it is bigger in size, it hampers the movement of the muscle, gives rise to painful muscle movement. Subperiosteal lipoma, periosteum of a bone. Below it is called as subperiosteal lipoma. Subserous or the pleura is called as subserous lipoma. Submucous lipoma over the intestine. Extradural lipoma over the dura. Intracranial, there is no fat, so no intradural lipoma. Intraglandular lipoma sometimes present in a pancreatic cells. Treatment: lipoma causing trouble on account of sight, size, appearance, pain. Removal is indicated. The diffuse lipoma over the neck has got no capsule, so a removal of lipoma is difficult. Neuroma is a rare variety, occur in connection with the sympathetic system. Types: ganglion neuroma contain ganglionic cell and nerve fiber present in a retroperitoneum, neck and thorax. Neuroblastoma, less differentiated than above, occurs in infant and young. Spontaneous remission is always there. The neurulema or schwannoma is lobulated, encapsulated, arises from the neurulamal cells, soft, white in appearance and easily removable. Neurofibroma arises from the connective tissue, nerve sheath, locally. Subcutaneous tissue gives rise to painful nodule. It may arise from the sheath of the peripheral or cranial nerve called as acoustic tumor. Types: generalized neurofibromatosis. Von Reckling-Hansen disease is an inherited autosomal dominant disease associated with the pigmentation. Plexiform neurofibromatosis is a rare variety, arises from the fifth cranial nerve. If over the scalp it erodes the bone. Elephantiasis neurofibromatosis is a rare condition. Skin is a porous, dry and thickened. The glomus tumor arises from the tortuous glomus composed of arteriole, venule, covered by the network of a small nerve. It's painful. Pain is a burning type of a pain. Hematoma is error tumor, occur because of a development malformation, grows like a tumor. For example, pigmented mole, angiomas, neurofibromas. Hemangiomas is also example of hematoma. It's a development malformation of the blood vessel rather than the tumor. The types are capillary hemangioma, venous hemangioma, or arterial hemangioma. Capillary hemangioma, Salmon patch is present since birth over the forehead or occipital region. Porcupine stain present since birth may develop into glandular. No need of a treatment in case of a female because of use of a cosmetics. In male, it may be needed surgical excision strawberry angioma occurs since birth. 1 to 3 weeks after the birth, it occurs, increases rapidly, composed of a vasoformative tissue, occurs in subcutaneous tissue, muscle, submucosa. Treatment is excision, hot water injection, sclerosant injection, or CO2 snow or X-ray. Venous hemangiomas, uncommon since birth, present on the limb and adjacent trunk. Treatment is conservative or hot water sclerosant injection. Arterial hemangioma. The types of congenital arteriovenous fistula, the pulsating arteries, and arterialized vein is called as sinusoid aneurysm. The spider nevus is present in a liver disease over the mammalian sterni. The nevus tardus is present in adult patient. Lymphangiosarcoma may be associated with the hemangioma. The carcinoma or sarcoma. The carcinoma arises from the ectoderm or endoderm. Accordingly, they are classified as squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, or glandular carcinoma. Sarcoma occurs in connection with the mesoblastic origin, hence fibrosarcoma or osteosarcoma. Types of the carcinoma. Sarcoma, squamous. Types of carcinoma. The squamous carcinoma arises from the surface as a result of a chronic irritation. Example, renal pelvis, the transitional cell to squamous cell in gallbladder, columnar cell to squamous cell, the macroscopically as what a papilliferous all ulcerative variety. The prickle cells are the characteristics. The basal cell carcinoma or rodent ulcer is a common low-grade malignancy found in white-skinned people. Sunlight is a predisposing factor occur in Australia. The middle or late age is a common age. 90% found on the face. The pearly or dark translucent color containing water. Network of a fairy red blood vessel on the surface. The types are the nodular, cystic, ulcerated or field fire product ulcer. Microscopic examination, dark cell with the outer columnar cells with the central mass of a polyhedral cells. Cystic spaces are also there. The treatment is a surgical treatment or a radiotherapy. The cylindroma or turban tumor. Some people called it as basal cell, a variety of a basal cell tumor or rodent ulcer. Some people called it as a endothelium. Tumor grows like a turban over the scalp. The stroma is like a transparent cylinders. The glandular carcinoma occurs in gastrointestinal tract, breast, uterus, less in kidney, prostate, gallbladder, and thyroid. The types are the carcinoma simplex occurs in the breast. The cells are spheroidal in shape. The adenocarcinoma, tendency of the cell to form acina, having no duct. The colloid or mucoid carcinoma is a degenerative process. The tumor develops from the mucous secreting cells, typically seen in a colon or stomach. The glandular carcinoma is also subdivided into encephalite, serous or atrophic serous. The direct spread occurs with a local invasion. The bloodstream, example, the carcinoma of the kidney invade the renal vein. The lymphatics spread occur by the permeation or by embolism. By permeation, the malignant cells grow along the lymphatic vessels from the primary growth and may It may occur retrograde direction also. The cancer cell stimulate the perilymphatic fibrosis in malignant melanoma intermediate deposit between the primary growth and lymph node are occurs. By embolism, the cancer cells invade the lymphatic vessels are carried by the lymph circulation to the original node. The nodes are distal. Seedling, implantation of the carcinoma in a case of a skin and mucous membrane when in close contact with the primary growth. Example, carcinoma of a lower lip affecting the upper lip. Carcinoma of a one labia majora affect the other part of the labia majora of the vagina. Recurrent after the operation, implantation of the malignant cells. The deposit in a bladder scar after the suprapubic removal of the primary growth or carcinoma of the scar after the mastectomy. The transcoelomic spread polloid carcinoma of the stomach gravitate to the ovary, that is Brukenberg tumor. Grading and staging is done for the prognosis to determine the type and extent of the treatment. The TNM classification extent to the primary tumor, the lymph node is affected or not, are there any metastasis, the tumor node and metastasis, the T1, T2, T3 and T4. T1 is lesion is a less than 2 centimeter with no skin involvement. T2 is a lesion is more than 2 centimeter but less than 5 centimeter. Skin is tethered, no pectoral fixation. T3 is a lesion is more than 5 centimeter but less than 10 centimeter. The skin is infiltrated, pectoral fixation is there. T4 is more than 10 centimeter, chest wall fixation is there. Nodes N0, no nodes N1, movable axillary lymph nodes. uh, Subtype A non-significant, subtype B is a significant, and 2 is the axillary lymph node fixed, and 3 is the supraclavicular nodes fixed with edema of arm. Metastasis M0, no metastasis. M1 is a metastatic but present including the involvement of skin beyond the breast and contralateral lymph nodes. Deep staging method are for classifying the carcinoma in spread of rectum. Sarcomas common in the first and second decade, rapid growth spread mainly by the bloodstream cannonball secondary goes into lungs. The macroscopic word implies the fleshy mass containing the fibrous and vascular tissue. The hemorrhage is there because of a thin wall of the vein. Example, osteosarcoma or chondrosarcoma. Sarcoma may develop in a pre-existing fibroma or uterine fibroid or bones. Fibrosarcoma occur in a muscle sheath or scar. The dilated veins over the tumor suggest malignancy. On palpation, the tumor is warm. The pulsation may be detected. The treatment of the fibrosarcoma. Spread of a sarcoma is hastened by incomplete removal. So, while removing wide excision with the surrounding healthy tissue should be taken in all cases. Reticulosarcoma or lymphosarcoma arises from the lymph node, tonsil, pear patches, lymph node of the intestine, lymph node of the neck and mediastinum. Melanocytic tumor and a malignant melanoma. The simple melanocytic tumor. The melanocytes is derived from the neural crest in a normal skin. It appears as a clear cells in a basal layer of epidermis. They may increase in a number in a layer of a skin to form a benign mole. Within the basal layer of epidermis is called as lentigo nevus. Projection into dermis is called as junctional nevus. Entirely dermis. Number 4 is combination of second and third is called as compound nevus. The clinical feature. children and adolescents. The small brown fat slightly raised lesion in the skin. Another clinical type seen in middle age, congenital nevus, is rare. The treatment is for the cosmetic reason or sizes. More surgical excision is the malignant melanoma. It arises in a pre-existing nevus or from the normal skin. The malignant changes occur in a junctional or compound variety. The pure dermal nevus is safe. The common in a fair-skinned individual who live in hot climate and prolonged exposure of ultraviolet rays. The clinical recognition, uncommon before puberty, should be suspected after puberty when the pre-existing mole enlarges in size, itches, weeps, scabs, bleeds, ulcerated, more deeply pigmented, halo of a pigment. In adult, the lesion grows progressively, rapidly growing fleshy ulcerated skin. The common site in a female is a lower leg, in male back or trunk. In Africa, the sole of the foot. The differential diagnosis: sclerosing angioma, pigmented basal cell carcinoma, basal cell papilloma, cavernous hemangioma. Malignant melanoma. Differential diagnosis: sclerosing angioma, pigmented basal cell carcinoma, basal cell papilloma, cavernous hemangioma. Spread occurs with the local extension. Lymphatic bloodstream. The tumor cell reaches to the lymph node by embolization. The blood-borne metastasis seen in the bone, lung, liver, brain, and skin. The secondary deposits are typically black. The treatment is a surgical excision. Management of the lymph node. If the primary tumor is adjacent to the lymphatic field, the face or neck or axilla or groin, it is widely excised. If the primary tumor is removed, ankle region, the block dissection is not carried out. The other method of treatment is a cytotoxic agent, has got a limited value. Prognosis depend on the stages. Small and flat are curable. Larger lesion raised and ulcerated got high mortality. The transit node shows bad prognosis. Pre-malignant conditions: Bowen's disease, intradermal precancerous condition, Paget's disease of a nipple, leukoplakia, senile keratosis, lesion over the face and the back, the radiodermatitis, and a chronic scar, and Marjorie's ulcer. Thank you for your attention.